Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best nut milk makers for your kitchen that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're looking to make almond milk, soy milk, oat milk, or other plant-based beverages, these machines have got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Kidisol 8-in-1 Nut Milk Maker Blender. This versatile appliance brings more to the table with its 8-in-1 functionality, including options for nut milk, oat milk, rice paste, boiling water, and more. It's a solid step up for those who want a bit more flexibility in their plant-based milk-making endeavors. The 32-ounce capacity is a nice middle ground, making it suitable for small to medium-sized families. The cream finish and countertop-friendly design make it an attractive addition to any kitchen. Its standout feature is the extended 2-hour heat preservation, which keeps your beverages warm and ready to enjoy. The included accessories, such as a nut milk bag, fine mesh strainer, and recipe book, make it a complete package for beginners. In terms of performance, the one-speed blending system works well for most tasks. Though it may not match the refinement of higher-end models, the lack of a self-cleaning feature is a minor drawback, but the cleaning brush included in the package helps mitigate this. Pros are its larger capacity and multifunctionality, while cons include the single-speed operation and manual cleaning requirement. At number 3, we have the NutriMaker X 8-in-1 Automatic Nut Milk Maker. This model is a family-friendly powerhouse, boasting a 40.6-ounce capacity that can serve 4 to 6 people in one go. Its multifunctional design replaces up to 8 kitchen appliances, saving both time and counter space. The build quality is excellent, with BPA-free materials, stainless steel blades, and an ergonomic handle for easy pouring. The smart self-cleaning feature stands out, providing a hassle-free cleanup experience. Additionally, the precision temperature control ensures that your beverages retain their nutritional value, while the 24-hour keep warm function is perfect for busy households. Performance-wise, the NutriMaker X impresses with its creamy, smooth results and quiet motor. It's ideal for those who need a larger capacity and advanced features. The only real downside is its slightly larger footprint, which might not be ideal for smaller kitchens. Pros include its family-sized capacity and advanced features, while cons are its size and higher price point. Securing the number 2 spot is the Flolano 50-ounce Nut Milk Maker. With its impressive 10-in-1 functionality, this machine is a versatile addition to any kitchen. From almond and soy milk to chowder and juices, it can handle a wide range of tasks, making it perfect for adventurous home cooks. The design is both modern and practical, featuring a visual glass exterior and a large 50-ounce capacity. Its 20 stainless steel blades offer exceptional blending power, ensuring ultra-smooth results without the need for filtering. The delay start, keep warm up to 4 hours, and auto-clean functions add to its convenience, making it a user-friendly option for busy households. The Flolano stands out with its powerful motor and low-noise operation, offering professional quality results at home. While it's slightly on the bulkier side, its performance more than makes up for it. Pros include its large capacity and powerful blending, while cons are its size and higher wattage, which may not suit energy-conscious users. And finally, at number 1, we have the Nutty Whiz 10-in-1 Nut Milk Maker Machine. This model is the ultimate choice for anyone serious about plant-based beverages. With its 10-in-1 functionality, it handles everything from almond and oat milk to smoothies and tea, making it a true all-in-one solution. The 42-ounce capacity strikes a balance between large batches and compact design. Its 10 stainless steel blades ensure ultra-smooth blending, while the LED touchscreen panel adds a touch of modernity. The delay start up to 18 hours and keep warm up to 4 hours. Functions give you unparalleled flexibility. Plus, the auto boil-dry protection and self-cleaning features make it safe and easy to use. In terms of performance, the Nutty Whiz delivers flawless results every time, making it the ideal choice for health-conscious individuals and families. While it's slightly more expensive, the advanced features and premium build quality justify the investment. Pros include its versatility, advanced technology, and excellent performance, while cons are its premium price and slightly steeper learning curve for first-time users. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.